Welcome to Oceania Hypnotherapy. Our anxiety sessions are designed to support you in overcoming anxiety and finding inner calm. You can use these sessions on their own or alongside our 4-week program. Please note that this recording does not replace medical care. Consult a doctor when necessary. Listen in a safe, relaxed environment, avoiding driving or operating machinery.
Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Shift your focus inward and pay attention to your breath. Inhale slowly, allowing your lungs to fill with air, and exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Now, bring to mind the sensation of anxiety. Notice where it resides in your body and the sensations it creates. Observe it without judgment, as if you're simply an impartial observer. As you continue to breathe deeply, envision a gentle, warm light surrounding you. Picture this light expanding with each breath, creating a soothing and protective aura around your body. Feel the light softly dissolve the grip of anxiety, replacing it with a profound sense of calmness and relaxation. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming stronger and more resilient in the face of anxiety. Visualize yourself confidently confronting challenging situations, empowered with inner strength. See anxiety as a passing cloud, effortlessly drifting away, leaving behind a clear and tranquil sky. Allow the warmth of the light to spread throughout your entire being, melting away any tension or tightness. Feel every muscle and cell in your body unwinding and letting go. As we embark on this incredible transformative journey, let us explore the profound impact of the process and the significance of breaking things down into manageable steps. Picture yourself amidst a breathtaking garden, surrounded by vibrant blooms and flourishing plants. This garden symbolizes your personal growth and development, and just like a skilled gardener, you possess the ability to nurture it with care and precision. Think back to a big project you've tackled in the past, like constructing a magnificent structure. It all begins with thoughtful planning, assessing the required materials, and laying a strong foundation. Step by step, you make progress, each task building upon the previous one, until the grand vision starts to take shape. Similarly, when preparing a delicious meal, you start by chopping the onions, sautéing them to perfection, and gradually adding ingredients to create a mouth-watering dish. It is within the intricacies of the process that the true magic unfolds. Now, let's reflect on your own journey of learning and growth. Recall the time when you were learning to walk. You stumbled and fell countless times, yet with unwavering determination, you picked yourself up and persisted. With each stumble, you gained valuable insights, strengthened your resolve, and eventually learned to stand, walk, and even run. Those experiences taught you the power of resilience and the beauty of progress through small, consistent steps. Life, much like a garden or a construction project, is not without its challenges. However, it is crucial to remember that challenges do not define your entire journey. They are mere opportunities for growth, adaptation, and personal discovery. Just as a garden may face occasional weeds, or a construction project encounters unforeseen obstacles, you too may encounter setbacks along your path. Sing in that exceptions to the rule exist. In your pursuit of personal growth, take time to celebrate the process itself. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks, and find joy in each step forward. Even the tiniest progress contributes to your overall success. Embrace the invaluable lessons that arise from facing challenges head-on, and always maintain a positive expectancy for the outcomes you desire. So, as we continue on this extraordinary transformative journey together, nurture your personal garden of growth and wholeheartedly embrace the power of the process. Appreciate the beauty that emerges from breaking things down into manageable steps, drawing inspiration from your past triumphs and the wisdom gained along the way. Have faith in your ability to persevere and overcome obstacles. For within you lies an incredible strength, resilience, and determination to create the life you envision. Acknowledge that you possess the ability to manage and overcome anxiety. Embrace the understanding that you have the inner resources and resilience to navigate through difficult moments with ease and grace. In a few moments, I will count from 3 to 1. When I reach 1, gently open your eyes, feeling rejuvenated and prepared to face any challenges that may arise. Carry with you the knowledge that you have the power to manage anxiety and cultivate a sense of inner peace. 3. Experience a deep sense of relaxation and tranquility. 2. Feel energized and ready to embrace the present moment. 1. Slowly open your eyes, carrying a renewed sense of confidence and inner peace with you. Take a moment to ground yourself and feel the serenity and strength that lies within. Carry this sense of calmness throughout your day, knowing that you are capable of managing anxiety and living a fulfilling life.
Thank you for listening to this session. I hope you found it beneficial on your journey towards a more peaceful and balanced life. To stay updated with new sessions and receive ongoing support, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be notified of future content that can further assist you in your personal growth and well-being. Thank you once again for joining us, and until next time.